Zeo Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everybody, myself Muzumle Devraj. I am studying Jhil Polytechnic, Diploma in Civil Engineering. Today I am present my group mini project of the subject Basic Surviving. The project done by Karan Lahudia, Tejaswini Mashal, Rupeshwaran Singh, Pradyumna Pawar and me. The project guided by Professor Aslam Sheikh Sir. The title of the project is Explain Detailed Information about Contour Map and Different Types of Contour. So go to the next slide, Content. Content. First, what is contour map? Second, reading a contour map worksheet. Third, type of contour lines. 4. Contour lines on a map. 5. How to read contour lines. 6. Interpreting contour lines. 7. Map scales. 8. Contour map shading. 9. Latitude and longitude map. 10. What is a contour interval? 11. Common contour map symbols. 12. Type of contour survey. 13. Contour map definition. 14. How to use contour map in survey. So go to the next slide, types of contour map. Types of contour map. How to read a topographical map. Common topographical map symbol. A topographical map is printed on a picture on a flat pieces of paper yet to provide a picture of the terrain and man-made features through the uses of contour lines. Represent the shape of elevation of the land such as ridges, valleys and hills. Colors and symbols are used to represent other features on the land such as water, vegetation, road, boundaries, urban areas and structure. What is a contour map? A contour line of a function of two variables is a curve along which the function has constant value so that the curve joins points of equal value. It is a plane section of the three-dimensional graph of the function f parallel to the plane. A contour map idea map illustrated with contour lines. For examples, a topographical map which shows valley and hills and the steepness of gentleness if slopes. Reading a contour map. Different maps serve different purpose. If you are trying to drive from point A to B, a regular road map is way to go. But if you are strayed from the road, perhaps on backpacking trek, you need to see terrain and the contours of the land, and that means you need to be able to read a contour map. Common contour map symbols. What is the difference between a contour map and a regular map? In a nutshell, topographical maps allow to see three-dimensional surface. These maps show the land's contours, elevation, mountains, valleys, bodies of water, vegetation and more. This contour and elevation information distinguishes them from other maps. Types of contour lines. The ability to fuse these major factors is the most critical skill one learns when using a topographical map. The primary purpose of a topographical map. The primary purpose of a topographical map is to actually represent the shape of the Earth's surface, but the utility doesn't stop there. Topographical maps also represented streets and trails, vegetations, streams, and every type of features that may positively or negatively impact your ability to navigate through the terrain. Contour lines on a map. Common topographical map symbol. Contour lines are imaginary. They are map artifacts used to represent paths or segments of Earth at an equal elevation. These paths and segments are represented as elevation, vertical distance above or below sea level, and reliefs the shape of the terrain features on the Earth's surface. Not all contour lines are created equal. Heavier contour lines and are normally numbered, showing elevation giving, and are found in sets of 4 between index contour lines. How to read contour lines. Contour lines indicate the steepness of terrain. Contour lines connect points that share the same elevation where they are close together. They never intersect. The elevation in changing rapidly in short distance and the terrain in steep. Where contour lines are wide apart, the elevation in changing slowly indicate a genation slope. Contour line also indicate the shape of the terrain, roughly concrete circle at probably showing you a peak, and areas between peak are pass. Interpreting contour lines. Contour lines on a map show topographical or changing in elevation. They travel the location of slopes, depressions, ridges, cliffs, the height of mountains and hills, and other topographical features. A contour line is a brown line on a map that connects all points of the same elevation. They tend a parallel each approximately the shape of the ones above and one below. It compares the topographic map with the landscape perspective. Map scale. The map scale tells you how to detail your map is the first 24,000 scale. For example, means 1 inch equals to 24,000 inches is reality. A larger scale like first 65,000 means that a map covers a larger area, but that it will have less detail. Maps above have a representative scale to help your visualization real world distance. You can use this scale and string or the edges of your compass to get a rough estimate about hiking distance on your map. What is a contour interval? Contour maps, such a topographical map, compress the information of a function over a two-dimension area into discrete set of closed linear that connect points equal value. Easiness, striking a fine balance between expressiveness and quantitative simplicity. They allow humans to perform any common sense reasoning task about that underlying functions. Types of a contour survey. Contouring and surveying is the determining of elevation of various points on the land and fixing this point on the same horizontal position in the contour map. In the land property world, a contour is an outline of a mass of land. Main objective of conducting contour surveys is to identify any noticeable difference in elevation of the existing land. How to use contour map in survey? The several points establish a counter line on one of two contour lines and suitably noted down. Plane table survey is identified suitable for this work after required points are established from the instrument is shifted to another point to cover more area. Have always believed that life is full of wonderful opportunities and learning experience. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.